Hello everyone. Want to import contacts from Gmail to your Android phone? Let's do it step by step. So first of all, we're to open up the settings app on our device. And after that, let's swipe up until we will locate our accounts and backup section. There we are. Let's choose that. After that, we are to press manage accounts. So locate your Google account, make sure that it's added, and this is the same account which you want to use. So tap on it. Now let's press on sync account. And here make sure that the contact switch is turned on. Now give it a time to be synced, as you see there, synced. And let's keep up. Now let's close our settings and let's open up our contacts section. So here we are, here are our contacts. Now we are to tap on the three dots at the top right corner and let's press settings. Then we are to press move contacts to other storage location. Let's tap here. Now choose how you want to transfer your files. So choose from where, from Google in our case. Now select, if you want to select some contacts, you can simply tap on it and it will be selected. If you want to select everything, tap at this all sign at the top right corner and press done. And now choose where you want to select, where you want to send these contacts, where you want to move them to, and I want to move them to my phone. So choose your phone, press move, and give it some time to be moved. It takes, it really depends on the amount of contacts you have, but as you see, it was just moved. Simply press OK, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.